This is a teardown of a General Electric brand remote microphone thing. And I have 2 screws removed, so this should go pretty quick. There's no part number on it, but doing a reverse image search, it really wasn't worth selling, so I'm going to just tear it down. And on the back, it says made in Japan and impedance is 500 ohms. That looks kind of messy. Oh, so it's not so much a switch as it is a little circuit board with some contacts on it that this switch slides over. I mean, I guess that's how a lot of switches work, but I was expecting more of a... Oops. Oh. Alright, I guess... Is this... Oh, different than I thought it was. It swipes over onto the contacts. This wiring's a mess. I guess... What in the world? Huh. A little tape. I feel like this is something I would do, not a professionally assembled product. Maybe heat shrink didn't exist back then? I don't know, it's so kludgy. This is the microphone. Honestly, it just looks like a normal speaker, but I mean, technically microphones and speakers are interchangeable. But, yeah, pretty quick teardown. Unfortunately, not much to see there, but looks like there's a total of 3 wires coming in. 4. This is just shielding, grounding. I think this was soldered together, but I broke the connection. So apparently this must be like must form like a loop or something, or maybe this is an early version of a balance connector. It says mic and RSW on it. Maybe it's a microphone and switch, because the blue and red wires go straight through, so those must go to the RSW pin. But either way, hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.